doon tayo pupunta. Roller coaster. Ilang roller coasters yan?
Ang extreme.
Ayun. Dami oh. Tapos doon may nasusunog. Yung Superman tsaka yung Medusa, yun yung mga extreme.
Oo, yung extreme. Sinakyan nila Aaron yun, tsaka ni Essie. Dati.
Ako ni Isa, hindi pa nakasakay dyan.
Demon nga sa Great America.
Ayun.
Para na ako mahihima kayo.
Yun na, mga ride. Daming roller coaster. Ayan na, na-drop na! Oh, may loop pa!
There's another loop!
Ang daming loops.
There's a third loop!
May third loop pa?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ayun, ayun, pataas. Ayun, yun.
Ayun, papataas.
Yung green, ayun,
Ayun,
yun.
green.
Parang mababa lang siya, no?
Pasigaw nga yung ano eh.
Hindi siya kagaya itong green na extreme talaga.
We are here. Six Flags Kingdom. Nandito tayo sa Discovery Kingdom, Six Flags Vallejo. Eh yung ano, yung mga extreme roller coaster nila. Merong Superman, merong Batman, merong Medusa. So mostly mga rides dito extreme. Meron din Marine World, Dolphin Show mamaya. So ito yung part 2 ng birthday ni Mrs. Dito natin celebrate. Time check is 12 na ng ano, tanghali. Ito na, papasok na kami.
Seals and sea lions as well.
Ayan si Sea Lion, nakatungaw namin.
That he's a lot faster.
Mamaya Dolphin Show.
He uses all 4 of his flippers to
Pinapakain na ano, yun.
As I said, they can run
Napakain niya
faster
kagad,
than
no?
us, which is insane because they're a marine mammal, and they can also definitely swim a lot faster than us.
Marami yan sa San Francisco.
20 to 25 miles per
Sa
hour.
Pier 39.
And that's because they want to be able to outrun the fish that they're trying to eat, so that way they
Ayun,
can
kumakaway pa.
hunters. And also sometimes they are the hunted. They are predators in the wild, include seals and predatory whales, or not seals, seals don't eat them, I promise.
Ayan, kumamot.
Sharks and predatory whales. And of course they are impacted by humans as well, by overfishing and disturbing their natural
Ayun na, bibigyan na
environment.
siya ng chibog.
But that's why they are so fast.
Ayun, no?
And she's here. He's one of the
Nilanok lang eh,
coolest
ubos.
I personally have ever worked with. He's incredibly smart. He loves to train. He really loves to be challenged, and he will find a way to challenge us and himself. Which is always a little bit exciting. So he's out here showing himself off. You'll notice he has that beautiful brown coat. He's a little lighter right now because he's actually going through molt. So seals and sea lions go through what's called catastrophic molt. It's scarier than it is. It just means that once a year they shed all of their fur and then they regrow it for the rest of the year. So seals and sea lions do have fur. You can't really see it that well when they're all wet like this. But if you head over to Seal Cove later in the afternoon, you'll likely see what we call fluffy seals and fluffy sea lions because they dry out and their hair kind of poops out and it's really
Pinapakita niya yung bunganga niya, gaano kalaki.
As I mentioned, they have a nice blubber layer between their muscle and their skin that acts kind of like an insulating jacket to keep them warm, and the cool tiny front flippers, they use those to steer and they use their hind flippers to kick. And that's how they get to move nice and quick in the water as well. Oh, good boy, Sheep. Sheep did a great job of not reacting to his fish going on the ground. I don't know if I would have had that same amount of self-control. And he's getting a lot of breathing. We're going to be getting based on how much they weigh. As I mentioned, during the summer, they don't eat quite as much because they don't need as many calories to stay warm. And in the winter, during the cold months, we're going to be adding some more food to that bucket. And of course, we'll change If we had a mother sea lion, she might be needing a lot more calories for that nursery, so we adjust every single animal. And that way they're all in great body condition and getting plenty of high quality food. We'll even adjust preferences. We added some new type of fish to our diets recently, and a few of our seals and sea lions decided, I don't really like this type of fish. So we're trying to get them to eat it bit by bit. It's like we're trying to introduce some veggies into your kid's diet or something new into your pet's food. And if they really say no, they're not going to eat this, we'll find something else. So everything is very customizable when it comes to animal care. So Chief, you're showing off some of the things that they use. There's his belly there. And he's showing off that he can be a little bit taken depending on the day. So again, a lot of these behaviors look pretty fun. Having him lay on his back was pretty cool to see, and I was able to give him a nice tickle there. But that's also a really helpful behavior. Not necessarily the tickling, but being on his back, his belly. Oh, looks like Chief's gonna show off his vocalization now too.
Parehas lang nakakainga. Oh, nagdigay na. Busog na raw, nagdigay.
That's not quite that barking I was telling you that sea lions do. But that is the noise that Chief makes, and the ones that we were able to capture, meaning that he offered it enough just on his own that we were able to score on a cue. So that's what his cue is. You kind of move your hand in front of your neck, and he knows when the trainer makes that hand signal that he's going to make his little grumble. He's applauding himself right now. Yeah, we can all give him a nice round of applause. And that upper body strength is pretty impressive.
Dami.
I want to thank you all so much for joining us here today.
Mamaya, ang galing. Oh. Woo! Yay! Galing.
Thank you guys so much for joining us here today at Six Flags.
Oh, ayan, natatouch ko. Then wash your hand. Reach for it. Reach mo.
Excuse me guys, do you have any drink right there? Yeah?
Oh, here. Get closer here. Ayan, hawakan ko. That's the wing. Hey, dip it. Dip mo.
Remember guys, just make sure wash your hands first. If you want to touch,
Longer.
you have to wash your hands first.
Did you touch it?
No.
Huh? Get closer.
Oh! And make sure we touch your wings.
Go. Stingray, pwede mo hawakan. Oh, yan. Get closer. Ikaw closer. Oh, yan. Get closer. Hindi naman yung nakagat. Ayan, oh. Dito ka kasi tumayo. Oh, ayan.
Make sure we touch your wings.
Touch it now.
See guys, when you're getting down to your rocks right
Can you touch it?
Yes, that is slimy.
Slimy.
Wash your hands.
Halika na. Wash na lang.
Okay.
They're stuck. They're stuck in the air. Ay, stuck sila. Kaya pala kanina pa eh. Ayan. Ayan yung city oh. Medusa ride. Stuck. Hold on. Hey, hey. There's stuck. So, yung roller coaster na yan, putol. Pag na-reach yun na yan, yung ano na yan, lilipad na kayo. Putol. yung roller coaster na yan, ano, mag-umpisa kayo sa baba. Then pag na-reach yun na yan, yung end na yan, putol, lilipad na kayo yan. Lilipad na kayo dahil. Galing lang tayo dyan sa Sea Lion Stadium. Then galing din tayo doon sa may Stingray. So ngayon pupunta naman tayo doon sa Dolphin. Kasi mag-start na ng show ng 2 o'clock. Doon muna tayo tapos mamaya mag-ride na lang tayo mamaya. Magsasarado na to itong itong Six Flags, magsasarado na. So nakakalungkot na isa sa mga magsasarado. Kasama yung Great Park America, yung sa atin sa may Santa Clara. Ito naman sa Vallejo, isa rin to, kasama rin to, magsasarado na. Dito ko pa dati sila dinadala yung mga babies pa sila. Mga ngayon, mga teenager na. So matitira na lang yung Gilroy Gardens. Tapos pupunta ka na ng LA, yung Universal tsaka yung Disney sa Anaheim. And dati sumasakay pa kami dito sa mga itong ride na to, yung balloons. Dati sumasakay dito ko pa sila sinasakay dati. Tandaan mo yan, yung mga balloons. Remember, we just took you there a long time ago in that playground, Looney Tunes Seaport. Oh yeah, you wanna ride there? The water? Mamaya ride natin yan kasi mababasa. Basa. Ano lang naman yung drop nyo, kaunti lang. That's a short ride. Short ride. Parang ganyan din sa may Universal, yung Jurassic Jurassic ride. Pero mas mahaba yan. Oh, you wanna go? That's not the highest ring. That's only the...
It's the same thing right there, man.
Yeah?
It's actually not too hot today. I like the breeze.
Ito yung lalagay nila dito. Ba't nila siya sarado? Studio 6F.
You guys want the bumper cars?
Ayan, maganda yan bumper car.
Can you even handle a roller coaster? I didn't go up.
Konti lang yung line doon.
Nasa America.
Hit long line? Bumper car. We're gonna go to the bumper cars. We're going to try this. Oh, walang line. Ay. Ay. Yeah?
Sige, ako mo dito. Upo muna ako, nahihilo ako.
Saan ka po? Ayun o, ayun o.
Dito na lang ako. Ako na yun.
Oh, take that to. Bawal lang hat. Ayun na, magbubungguan na. Koy, you wanna follow me? All clear. Go this way, go. Go this way. Follow me. Carol. This way. Go around. Follow me. Just follow me. Ate Bella. Ang bagal na ito. Ang bagal. Okay, go, look. Left, left. This way. Konti lang yung bundol natin. Lumayo tayo doon. Naghihingalo na yung bumper. Ang bagal. Left and then gas. That's it. We did it. Good driver. Ang bagal ng bump car ko. Parang hindi na fully charge. Naghihingalo eh. Ito, Super Mario, laki. Eh. Ano, dumaan siya eh. Dumaan, na-miss natin. Parang small window lang yan. Makikita natin yan dito. So, dito tayo manonood. Yan, dito pwede na rito.
20 minutos.
20 minutes. Mag-start na yung dolphin show.
Open show? It's 1:30.
So we get a nice spot.
Low budget.
Eh, lower. tayo sa ano, front. Front row. Ayan, kitang kita. Ayan rito. One level. Okay na? Ayan na, nagsisigawan na. Mag-start na ng less than 5 minutes. Makita natin yung mga dolphins. That's a big turkey leg. Laka ng turkey leg. Woo! Ang daming tao. Puno na. Ayan na, countdown na. Yay!
Now, we were going to have our chefs make you the best meals ever, but they're not in today. Don't worry about that though. I was thinking instead we can upgrade your experience.
Basang-basa siya.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need.
Yay!
You can count on me. 9, 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh.
I know, we're not going there. They got stuck last time too. With people up there. They just stuck when we drove up, they were stuck, and then I got stuck with people up
If
there.
you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall
They get down eventually,
asleep,
but sometimes emergency.
I'll sing a
They get down,
song
they get work in, then they get
beside.
Ito yung Medusa na roller coaster. Daming loops. Dito lang kami sasakay sa Cobra. Mini roller. Ay. Ay. Ayan, okay lang yan. How's the line? Halika na.
Are you guys gonna try it? Yes.
Yeah, that's small roller coaster only. Natin ito na pa-park.
Bags, food, drinks, funny bags, backpacks, any kind of loose
Guys, wala rito nga na.
hobbies.
Pinapana yung cellphone. Kung hindi ko makukuhaan.
If it doesn't fit in your pockets, it's only start recalling and cannot ride with you.
Area lang yung ano niya.
No bags at all.
Mini
no
roller
food, no
coaster.
drinks.
Ayun, matindi yung Medusa. Try lang natin tong mini. Ayun. Ayun na, first drop. Woo! Second drop. Ayan na. Ayan si Cobra.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. And your exit is gonna be on your left side. Left side.
Lupit, Medusa ride. Ayan na. Ayan yung start. Lupit niya. Yari. Pupunta lang kami sa zoo. Ayan namin yung mga ano. May mga leon daw doon eh. Leon. Tsaka mga snakes. Nangyari kay Medusa. What is that? Is that restroom? Guys, hindi na tayo sa kapabasa tayo rito sa drop. Oh, that's okay. Later I will stop it later. Isang drop na ano. Are you ready, Belle? No. What about you, Kai? Ready? Yeah. Kaya na. Dami, basa. And start. Ayan guys, tapos na, basang-basa na. Bawal kasi yung ano eh. Ganyan kami ha. Ayan o. Dito rin pala napapasa. Dito na. That's nice. Belle, are you okay? Tayo. Panti lang na may nabasa sa atin. Ang bilis ng ano yung drop. Go! That's it na guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Ayan guys, mag-umpisa ka sa baba. Ayan, dire-diretso. And pag na-reach mo na yun, yung putol na yan. Lilipad ka na. Papuntang outer space.